welcome to Tailor Made Stories with me, Neeti Taylor Baba. I hope you are doing really well. And आजकल मुझे सजने सवजने का whatever बहुत शौक है. So that's why I'm also decked up and so dressed up because I wanted to. So okay, so this segment is actually a lot of fun because I've bought this new game. It's called Truth and Dare. So I'm going to play it with you guys. Now of course क्योंकि मैं अकेली हूँ तो मैं dare नहीं कर पाऊंगी, but why don't we do this fun episode where you guys, you know, like in the comment section, आप लोग मुझे दो dares to do and I'll try recording myself and doing the dares. So I think that's gonna be fun. Then आज करेंगे हम truth segment. आप लोग comment करना about the dares that you all want to do and the craziest dares. I'll try and doing most of them. But do drop down the comment which dares you want to see me do. But आज हम करेंगे truth. So the truth with Neeti Taylor Baba. So let's begin Truth and Dare with me. I always ask for the bill. So I think it's very embarrassing because if someone asks you to go on a date, it's that thing. I will always say let me pay. So yeah, that's very embarrassing. There are so many things that you would do with your friends and never with your partner. I think I can't go there because there are so many things. Firstly, it is talking about your partner because you can't talk about your partner to your partner. So yeah, that's the first thing. Of course I've peed in a pool. Biggest regret, I don't regret, like of course we all as human beings regret so many things in life, but I don't, yeah, everything is my decision. So yeah, there are a lot of opportunities that I missed and I regretted, but then ठीक है, I always think कि one, if it's not happening or नहीं किया मैंने तो something else is going to happen, so it's okay. So I can't say it, but let me say it. No, I don't think I should say it. Oh my god, I have like really sick nicknames, but like Titty Taylor, yeah, that is something. The weirdest thing ever. My operations, I think that's been the most physical. Yeah, certainly my operations, and especially when they had to remove the stitches. Yeah, so I've been through a lot while my childhood, even now. So yeah, like I've been operated. Like I've not had small operations, but I've been operated and huge operations. So yeah. मैं तो kiss करती रहती हूँ. Uncomfortable. I love kissing and hugging. Siddharth Roy Kapoor is my secret crush. To be like loyalty, I think I'm very scared to be cheated, but I have the best and I'm not scared anymore. No. Loyalty, nature of a person and the smile. I've not been on so many dates, so you know, Parikshit was the first person who ever said, will you go with me on a date? Will you be my girlfriend? I was asked for the first time in my life. Otherwise, it's on messages. Girlfriend banogi? He like literally like a gentleman. He asked me, so that was my first. I love my lips, and my nose is damn cute. I was rubbing a bamboo stick. वो gardens में रखते हैं ना किसी के, छोटी थी मैं वो चोरी कर रही थी और मेरे parents ने देख लिया थप्पड़ सबके सामने. But my parents did a very good thing. They never said कि no, my daughter's not done this, not done that. If we were wrong, they always said कि we are wrong and they corrected us right then and there. Maybe we thought that time कि it's not good, but now when you get up and you see other people doing it and parents covering it, it's just like thank God, dude. मेरी माँ तो मेरे को तो थप्पड़ मार देती थी सबके सामने. So it's a very good lesson I have learnt and I see and I want to do the same for my future. I cry apparently every day because I watch something so senti and I cry even watching Bigg Boss. So yeah. Invisible, I would love to fly because that is something I am scared of. So I would love to go parasailing, whatever. जो भी है. In the air. I love her. She is an idol. I look up to her. There's so much to learn from her, and she's so ladylike. Like, she's perfect. And I think not only my mother-in-law but my father-in-law, I think I've been blessed to have them in my life because they are everything I ever wanted. So it's like a dream come true. Like, I've not only married my husband but my in-laws. Like, I'm blessed with the best. Oh my god, गाड़ी आ रही है पीछे से. What to do. I am petrified with driving, but yes, I get so scared when there is a car. Oh my god, what to do. That's what I do. I think let's just answer another 2-3 questions and that's it, because otherwise segment इतना लंबा हो जाएगा कि खत्म ही नहीं होगा. So yes, it's been quite a long time. Very long time. Oh my god, I talk like a baby. I still do this. I'm really so cute, and Parikshit finds it so annoying. Yeah, this is like one childish thing I do. I would not want to switch the gender, but I would like to be Priyanka Chopra for a day. I would love that. No. I regret it after being in a relationship. क्यों किया ये मैंने अपने साथ? I still do this, the weirdest thing. So basically, wherever I am, at home, in a hotel, anywhere, in a bathroom, I will sit on the floor and I will just be there. Garam pani, oh wow. That's the weirdest thing I still do. So with this question, I think that's it. I end this segment. Like I said, today I've done the truth. So you write down in the comment about the dares that I can do for you. And I'm telling you, it's going to be like a vlog of dares. And I'm going to try and do as many as you guys send. So it's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to this. And let's get crazy and let's enjoy one life, live it to the fullest and enjoy. And yes, I'm decked up all for you guys. So I hope you like the segment. Something very different, and I'll keep coming up with things that will make you all be like, oh wow, what a cool segment. अरे ये तो हमने सोचा भी नहीं था. But with this thought, I am signing off. Lots of love to you all, and don't forget to subscribe, and please click the thumbs up button and give me a lot of love. So don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye.